Email marketing is all about connecting with your contacts and converting them into loyal customers. And GetResponse gives you the tools to do just that. With GetResponse, it's easy to create beautiful newsletters and follow-up campaigns, and you can do it all without a designer or developer. Start by adding a few details, like the message name, subject, and from field. You can choose from hundreds of pre-designed templates tailored for your industry. Or start from scratch and simply drag and drop images, text, buttons, and any other elements you like. They're easy to delete, replace, or move around. With one click, you can edit text and change its size, formatting, or alignment. You can also add or change images with one click. Just click the icon next to the slider and choose from hundreds of ready-to-use images, or upload your own. To check your design is mobile-friendly, click on Mobile Preview. Next, save your email for later, or add recipients and preview the message summary. You can send your newsletter now, or schedule it for another time. And with our awesome time travel tool, you can send it to all your contacts at the scheduled time in their time zone, wherever they are in the world. Ready? Just hit send.